Let's have a bit of unboxing. I wanted to start with something big, and I'm neither Marco Raps nor Dave from EEV blog, so I added this purchase from Velectron to this little tool haul. Let me remove the invoice and let's have a look inside the box and find more boxes branded Siglent. I got myself finally a digital oscilloscope. On that sheet of paper were some upgrade codes you can unlock on the software side. Let's start with a smaller package of the SLA1016 digital probe. It comes in an external black anodized box. It's a 16-channel probe with 1 gigasamples per second. One side has the multi-pin digital input. The other connects to the scope via HDMI. Not the worst idea to use readily available connections for proprietary things. Wow, that was a mouthful. In one bag are the probes on their ribbon cable and an HDMI cable that might be non-standard. And in the other bag are 16 small clamping probes with pin headers. Nice to include them, but they're not really high quality. Honestly, they kind of feel really cheap, but honestly, they feel kind of cheap, but will surely suffice. Most of the times I probe on pin headers of breakout boards anyways. And now it's time to open the big box. Power cable. A quick start guide. Neatly and safe packaged around some foam bumpers. And of course, a USB cable and 4 probes with color-coded rings. They feel decent and have a standard set of stuff added with them. As this is in 100 MHz scope, these probes are also rated for up to 100 MHz. But you guys want to see the scope, don't you? Right from the first touch, the handle feels decent. The scope has a standard layout, nothing special. All 4 channels share the same controls. And of course, there's a warranty sticker I'll void when I change the fan later on. On the back we find the peripherals. Nothing special. And at first glance, it seems to be a decent scope. Nice. Let's move on. Yeah, I put some gaffer's tape on the shipping label, but the eggs will cut through it anyways. I hate packing peanuts. Ooh, I know what this is. Viewers of this channel know I like me some Belzer tools, and I was browsing on eBay one night and came across these neat electronics tweezers in a kit. They have at first glance odd shapes, but hey, I show them to you in the short close-up. Wait a minute, what is this exactly? I think I got ahead of myself. Let me open something different first. Ah, just kidding. It's already open. In here hides a new old stock Belzer TV adjustment tool, trimmer, thingamabob. I ordered it because it is made of red acetate and should be handy to point at things in videos. What a beauty. And the second envelope is a Bernstein multi-opener. Opening things ESD safe without damaging its case is very useful. Bernstein tools are always high quality and made in Germany. And nope, you can't use it as a knife. The first pair of tweezers, they are the 5584 AM. They're made for holding ICs while soldering, and that's what the hooks are for. For smaller ICs, you use a pair of 5583 AM. Then I got me these flat tips that won't damage softer parts as they have a bigger surface and these round notches that act as springs. It has the number 5546 AM. .5589 AM are notched at the tips and made to hold round parts like rivets, diodes, resistors, etc. The last pair, and by far not least, are these very fine, very hard angle tips that come in handy for so many purposes. They have the number 5489 AM. All are well used but still in a very good condition. I'm so happy right now I've got these. Okay, next package. Thank you for being this dirty. Ooh, I also interested in what happened in Solingen end of March this year. The title has already two really bad puns I'm not able to translate. And fitting to the mentioned food expert are some deals from the local supermarket. 6 months back and I'm gonna cry as the prices exploded since then. But hey, here's a 6-inch adjustable wrench made by Dowidat. I love Dowidat tools. Always shiny, always high quality. I bought these for a friend who's fitting out a leather pouch full of tools for his car. I bet it hasn't seen much use in its life. A really nice find. Hard cut to this little pouch full of poking, scratching, and prying sticks, I guess. I'm sorry, these are not that interesting. Next. This package gets me excited. It has something small inside. Something cute, but very nifty. And Fukushima news from March. I'm sorry, guys, for not posting for so long. I'm really I really am. But hey, here comes Belzer again, and it is a red acetate handle. That's something. A size 3 parallel tip screwdriver with that weird Swiss standard and a stubby handle. I love it. Neat. And another jump cut to this Belzer peen hammer with hickory handle. Belzer, das Werkzeug. I lost the footage of unboxing it, but I still wanted to show it to you guys. Nothing special. 3/4 of a pound. Still works. And that wraps it up for today. And yeah, it's really, really loud.